Do you want to study photography? Advance your photography, Photoshop and Lightroom skills and get the power to choose when you study and what you study at Online Camera Ed, Digital Photography College. With no classes to attend, no deadlines and timeline, you study at your own pace. Our innovative professional photography course offers real choice, with 9 powerful core modules plus the flexibility of 3 additional elective modules. A new, unique solution in photography education. And our affordable courses won't break your bank with flexible payment options. Get through the challenges and advance with the full support of our passionate professional team who will bring out your best and get you on track to being a skilled photographer. Study with us and you can truly live your dream. We are based in Australia, so jump on board and download our free course prospectus or go straight to enrol now. Take a journey of a lifetime. Visit onlinecameraed.com today.